Okay, today we're going to be installing a little plug-and-play power. We're going to be installing the new Flowmaster Delta Boost module on this 2017 Ford Fiesta ST with a 1.6-liter turbocharged motor. But be sure to check out our website for different applications this will work on. So I don't know about you, but I'm going to get this in the shop and turn up the boost. All right, time for some plug and play power. Now we're going to disconnect the sensor here at the intercooler and we're going to plug in line the Delta Boost module. Okay, let's test it out and make sure we got some power. Going down. Okay, let's get our Delta Boost module secured down. Okay, let's go turn up the boost on this and go for a test drive. Okay, we're in stock mode right now. Let's go ahead and turn up the boost and put it in sport mode. All right, let's turn up the power on this and put it in max mode. Hold on. Delta Boost module really helps out with the turbo lag. You can tell the turbo really loves this power. Now this Delta Boost module is a serious plug and play power. And this is pretty awesome. It's all controlled by a smartphone device. And you got different mode settings. You got your valet mode. You got your stock setting, which is called standard. You got sport mode, it's going to add 3 pounds of boost more. Then you got max mode, it's going to add 4 pounds of boost more. And this helped out with the turbo lag, and the turbo really loved this extra power. Now, I don't know about you, but I hope to see one soon on your ride. I'm going to go keep driving around. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.